Hello kids, so welcome you all and I hope that you all are good and fine. Today we are going to do an activity in our English subject for class 1. So the name of the activity is Float and Sink. The name of the activity is Float and Sink. We are going to see some of the objects that float on the water and few objects that sink in the water. Okay, so for this activity, here I have a bowl of water and I have few objects. So let us see which of these objects float on this water and which of these objects sink in the water. So let's begin our activity. Okay, first we will mention the names of the objects that we have with us. So here I have, what is this? Yes, we play with this. This is a ball. Absolutely correct. So let me write the name of our objects. A ball we have here. The second thing that we have, this we use to stick the papers. So this is a tape. Okay, so here I write as tape. See one more thing that we play with, that is a block, a playing block. So I will write here as block. The next thing, I wish to drink a lemonade, right? So this is a lemon. Okay, lemon. The next thing, would you like to have something with this 5 rupee coin? Guess, muffin, 5 rupee Monginous muffin? Yes, so here this is a coin. And here, see, as it is rainy season, our clothes don't get dry, so we use this clothespin to dry our clothes, right? Yes, so this is a clothespin. The next thing that I have is yes, the guess is correct, it's a leaf, the leaf of a tree. Leaf I have. The other thing with children, most of you use it while writing, that is an eraser. So this is an eraser. The other thing which more than erasing you use it, that is a pencil to write. A pencil. And the last thing that I have is a key. Khul ja sim sim, right? So a key. Okay, so these are the objects. Here you can see a ball, a tape, a block, a lemon, a coin, a clothespin, a leaf, an eraser, a pencil and a key. We have these things with us. Now out of these objects, we are going to see which of these objects float on the water and which of the objects sink in the water. Which of the objects sink in the water and which of the objects float on the water. Okay, so we are going to distribute the objects that float under the float column and the objects that sink, we'll write them under the sink column. So let's begin our activity. Yes? Okay. So here children, you all can see a bowl of water. Now here I have a ball. I put this ball in the water. See what happens. Is it floating or is it sinking? Yes, you all are right. It's floating. So here I can say that this ball floats on the water. So the first one ball floats. So here I write the name ball because it floats on the water. Very good, children. So now let us see the second object. Here I have a tape. So here let me put this tape in the water and see, guys, what's happening there. Oh yes, is it sinking or is it floating? Yes, it's floating on the water. So here I can say that this tape floats on the water. So here I'll write the tape name in sink column. Yes or no? Oh yes, no, because it floats on the water. So we'll write tape under the float column. Next, let us see what is the thing that we have. We have a block here. Yes, a playing block. Now see, I put this block in the water. What's happening? Is it sinking or is it floating? Yes, it's floating on the water. So here I can say that the block floats on the water. So I'll write the name of block under the float column. Yes. Now let us see what do we have here. This is a lemon, as you said. I put this lemon in the water and see, guys, what happened to the lemon. It sank in the water, or is it floating on the water? Yes, we can see the lemon has gone inside the water at the bottom of this bowl. So we can say it sank in the water. So this lemon name goes under the sink column. Lemon sinks in the water. This lemon sinks in the water. Let us see what we have next. Yes, now here I have a coin, and this coin I put in the water and see what happened. Again this coin has gone down at the bottom of the bowl. That means the coin sinks in the water. The coin sinks in the water. So let us write the name of the coin under sink column. So a coin sinks in the water. Next we have a clothespin. So here, guys, we have this clothespin and I am putting this clothespin in the water. See what is happening. The clothespin is floating on the water. So I can say, I can write the name of this clothespin under the float column. Clothespin float on the water. Yes. Now let us see what do we have next. So here is a leaf. I put it in water and see what is happening. It's floating like a boat. Yes, and I wish to sit on it, and I just imagine if it would have been a boat, I would have floated on water. Row, row, row your boat. Yes. So here I can say, what does it what happens to a leaf? Does it float on water or it sinks in water? Yes, you all are correct. It floats on water. So here I write leaf as floats on water. Let us see what do we have next. An eraser. See, now I put this eraser in the bowl of water and see what happened. Immediately it went at the bottom of the bowl, and we can say that an eraser sinks in the water. An eraser sinks in the water. Yes, so let us write the name of the eraser in sink column. So eraser sinks in the water. Next we have as pencil. Let us see what happens to the pencil as we put it in water. Again, it floats on water. So here I can write the name of pencil in float column. So a pencil floats on the water. And the last we have a key. Let's see what happens when I put this key in the bowl. As we can see, it has sank down in the water. So here I can say that the key sinks in the water. Key sinks in the water. So here guys, we can see the table or the columns of float and sink. Float means the object that float remain on the surface of the water, and sink means the object that goes down at the bottom of the water of any container or any water body. So here we can see a ball, a tape, a block, a clothespin, a leaf and a pencil. As we saw in the activity, these objects float on the water. These objects float on the surface of the water. And the other things, on the other hand, we have lemon, a coin, an eraser and a key. These things sank in the water. They wait immediately at the bottom of the water of the bowl. So we can say that these things sink in the water, right? So this was the activity, and I wish that you all understood this activity, and you all are supposed to show me the objects in the house that you have, and you are supposed to do this activity at home.